Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brian from One Stop Board Shop. Today we're going to be doing a what's in the box for the Carbon GTR Series 2 all-terrain. So first we're going to talk about the board itself. This is the carbon fiber version of the Series 2. There's also a bamboo version. So this board is made out of carbon fiber and the battery enclosure is underneath this top portion here. So you actually have to remove this top portion in order to get to the battery. The motors are 3,000 watts each. Compared to the Series 1, those were 1,500 watts each. So you have originally in the Series 1, a total of 3,000 watts of motor power. Here you have 6,000 watts. This is the all-terrain version. We also have a street version. So these come with 7-inch pneumatic tires. The street version comes with 97mm polyurethane tires. Next, we've got the new Phaze remote. So the Phaze remote comes in the accessory kit, which we'll talk about later. But this Phaze remote is substantially upgraded over the previous R2 Bluetooth remote that ran the GTR Series 1 and Stoke boards that came out prior. This remote, it's damn near indestructible. It's CNC machined. It is absolutely just a beast of a remote comparatively to the R2 remote. This is also really cool because this works on every single current gen board, the GTR Series 2, the Stoke Series 2, and the Hadian. In addition, it is also backwards compatible. So for anyone who currently owns a Stoke Series 1 or GTR Series 1, you can grab one of these Phaze remotes and it will work with your current board. So if you're sick of those remotes breaking, pick up a Phaze. The last thing you're gonna find in your box is your accessory kit. So this accessory kit comes with this really, really neat box with a handle that you can kind of carry around so you have all your stuff. The remote that we already discussed, it comes with the Skate Y tool and it comes with your GTR Series 2 charger. Nicely laid out here for you to easily transport to all of your rides. In the pouch here, you're also going to find the owner's manual and a bunch of spare accessories for, you know, those times where you lose a couple bolts and nuts here and there. So when you get yourself a GTR Series 2, this is what's going to be in the box. Like and subscribe for more content just like this, and comment below if you've got any questions. Stay riding, everybody.